Welcome to Eddie and Sophie vlog. It's Dubai Day 1. We finally landed in Dubai and headed straight to our car. We had booked a taxi in advance through the app. You can try Kareem, Uber, or even the official RTA Dubai taxi. All of them are reliable, and if you are traveling from the airport, prices are usually fixed and transparent. We got lucky with an amazing luxury ride, a Lexus. That one thing about Dubai, even regular taxis and ride apps often surprise you with really good high-end cars. Our hotel was just 15 minutes away from the airport, so the ride was quick and smooth. Another great thing about taxi here, every taxi in Dubai has a card machine, so you don't need to worry about carrying cash. For this trip we paid 71 dirhams, which is pretty reasonable for a luxury airport transfer. We checked into our hotel, Hampton by Hilton Dubai Airport. The location is perfect if you are flying in late night or you have early morning flight. Rooms here usually starts from 250 to 300 dirhams per night. This price includes complimentary breakfast, which is huge bonus when you're traveling. The hotel also has a big outdoor pool, a modern gym and free Wi-Fi. So it's a really good value stay. Hampton is part of Hilton, so you also earn Hilton Honors points if you are a member, which can be useful for future trips. After getting our room key, we unpacked and freshened up quickly because we had a day trip package tour planned. Hello guys, we are already in our cab, and I think we will also travel with this cab all the time because it's something to hold and I hope it will be extremely good.
It's sharing, yes? 6 people will be going.
6 people? There is so big car. We will have a camel ride also in between. At evening some tanura, fire and berry show. Barbecue will be.
Tea, coffee, water is free. Complimentary.
Yeah. Let's see. Also I'm interested to buy this cap on the head. I don't know.
Write your name inside the bottle. Camel bird we make with sand.
Can you
This
show?
is real sand?
Yes, fix and not come out.
Oh.
Have on my shop different design, different color. You select any bottle color we make.
And you can make our names also?
One name, 2, 3 name, any messy 4, 5 name even. Backside V24, birthday date.
And how much is this?
30, 40, 50.
Price.
Have more design.
For this safari we paid 225 dirhams per person. We paid a bit extra for the buggy ride. It's 350 dirhams. The buggy was a double-seater and totally worth it. We also purchased a traditional headscarf, great for sun and sand, such a cool look really. You actually can see someone wrapping the scarf around Eddie in the video. Yeah, it's really iconic desert style. It's extremely cool, we're enjoying 100%.
Interesting. Drive yourself.
Amazing. Let's go! Woohoo! We stop for photo shoot. During the buggy adventure, we actually got stuck in the sand, so our instructor helped us push through this, and it was really fun. Eventually through we reached the best part, its epic sunset over the dunes. We also paid a small amount for photo with the falcon. Most places charge around 10 dirhams per photo. After the sunset, we reached to our camp, and in our package was included Arabic coffee, dinner and entertainment. We got mehendi art, camel rides, sunboarding, fire show and also mesmerizing belly dance performance.